Hi there, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I made some delicious zucchini veggie chili. Let me tell you what I did. I included onion, garlic, 1 zucchini, sliced into little quarters, and then I added some Bush's Chili Magic, 1 can of mild Rotel, and that's it. A little bit of water and a little salt, and I am slowly heating this up. I'm going to serve this with some rice today. I've got my rice that I've seasoned with garlic and salt and pepper and butter. I'm going to put some in the bottom of my bowl here. Get some of this vegetarian chili. Spoon that on top. Yum, healthy, and delicious. I'm gonna give it a try. Really hot. Super flavorful. I'm gonna cut up a lime and squirt some lime juice on top. There's that lime on top. This is gonna be good.